How to make table column equal width in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show some few methods so you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page and I have one table here, so I just resize all. Okay, I just change the size of every column to show you. Okay, you can see I have the table with the different size of every column. So the first method, you need to select the all table like this. Okay, now go to this three dot option, go to the table options, and here go to the column, and the column width you need to set in inches. Okay, so you can change like 2 inches or 1 inches, then all table column will be size will be in 1 inches only. Okay, so you can see, or you can simply do another, you can follow the another method. Okay, simply click on any desired column, right click on it and go to the distribute columns, then all the size will be distributed same to the all columns. Okay, and if you want to change the row width, if you want to change the row size, again you have to select the all tables here and distribute the row, then all your row will be distributed and same size. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.